The XRP rally is alive and well, with volume blowing up over $21 billion in the last day. But is the pump dependent upon BTC breaking 93,000? I've got more good news for you, as even NFTs are roaring. XRP price, Binance suspension.
Due to the graphic nature of this program, listener discretion is advised.
Happy Sunday, everyone. You made it to the weekend with hot, juicy price action. And look at the chart of XRP on the screen. Doesn't that look hot? But Gary, shh. You need to shut the fuck up. It's time for the big kids to play. But before we get into the crypto news, your comments come first. Hot, spicy, naughty, relevant. Maybe I'll share it at the beginning of the next video. Johnny Goodman is thinking what a lot of us are. Says, I think it's all over. Many took profits from selling their coins, and now every price on all cryptos is now flat. I don't think it's over. In fact, I've got another stat to share with you that's showing you how massive this move is. What if I told you even the biggest pieces of shit in the market are rallying? So if the big pieces of shit in the market are rallying, you know the good stuff is going to keep on pumping. Ghost Beard says, the dude at the party you hate but love. Great metaphor for the haters. It's so true. The United States is the dude at the party, and I'll have that video linked at the end because the U.S. is about to spur a massive crypto boom. Ian Spoon says it's all about the money, as you say, Klaus. Yes, it is about the money, scoring them fucking W's. Algo, XLM, and XRP paid for my night out last night. No point watching the charts go up if you don't take profits. That's right. No one ever went broke taking profits. Bitcoin's hit at 90,554. ETH is 3103. Sold at 231. We're going to talk about XRP sold. The rest of the alts. Is it dependent upon BTC breaking 93,000? I don't think it is. BNB at 627. XRP did well overnight, waking up this morning to $1.12. ADA 72 cents. XLM sitting on to 20 cents, while CASP is hanging out at 15.2. Why Solana's, XRP, and others all-time high depends on BTC breaking out to 93,000. Yet the lack of a pullback suggests that the bears aren't winning yet. And I don't think the bears will win just yet. This climate has opened the door for altcoins to shine, breaking psychological barriers and outperforming Bitcoin, that the gains have doubled its pace. In fact, if we look at it, yeah, you can see when it comes to altcoin season, we're starting to swing on over to the altcoin. Now, we're still favored by BTC dominance, but hey, the alts are picking up steam. And in fact, the alt made a move way later than BTC. BTC made its move early, and a lot of the alts that we love, well, they made that move a few days later. Unlike previous cycles, which saw Solana and ADA reaping most of the benefits, the rivals have, but now the alts have. For a parabolic run, however, BTC must surpass this resistance to restore investor confidence in the market. I don't think so. I don't think 93,000 BTC is the key to XRP, ADA, XLM all rallying. I think you're going to start seeing more alts taking over as these alts hold on to some prices, which are going to entice more investors. Because a lot of people, you know the deal. They're like, yo, bro, XRP at 55 cents, I'm not interested. But XRP at $1, I'll buy. You know it's true. And I've got even more news besides US juicy goodiness. What do I got? NFTs. So if the biggest pieces of shit in the market are rallying, that means everything else is doing good too. It's like the Russell 2000. The Russell 2000 for the stock markets is like that. When the Russell 2000 rallies, you know we are moving, baby. NFT sales skyrocketed by over 90% last week amid intense bull run. NFTs just had their best week in a long time, signaling that, yes, everyone, capital is flowing. Total sales volume hit 181 million over the past 7 days, up from 93 million. That's almost a 2x jump in volume. Ethereum dominated the leaderboard with 67 million in sales. That's 111% compared to the previous week. Bitcoin, 60 million in sales, climbing 115%. Solana, Polygon, BNB making up the rest. Floor price of NFTs went up as well, 87%. So like I said, the biggest pieces of shit out there, NFTs, the things that, right, were pumped like crazy the last cycle and then dumped to the tune of 99+%, are now starting to rally as well. So it's not just the ISOs, it's not just the alts, it's not just the store of values. The entire crypto market is moving and billions of capital swinging. By the way, rumors out there have it that over billion has gone into the crypto markets since the election. I want you to think about that. Now, we don't even have regs yet. We don't have the new president in play yet. We don't have the new House or Senate in play yet. We don't even have a BTC strategic reserve yet. So what will happen when we actually start finalizing those plans? Yeah, for real, I think we've got some room to grow. Now, looking across the board in terms of crypto, we are at extreme greed right now at 83. Overall volume in the market, though, is down 8% to 173 billion. That's not a big deal because XRP's volume is up 28% to 21 billion. But before we get into that, Binance had some problems. And remember, I bring you the news whether it's good or bad, happy or sad. So I know. Lately, I've been bringing you lots of good news. But remember, if the news is bad, I still got to share it. You got to love me either way. So hit the subscribe button either way so you don't miss out on good and bad news so that you can make the best choice. Binance suspends XRP withdrawals. Here's the cause. We know what the cause is. Massive amounts of liquidity and the price is exploding. These exchanges can't keep up. Remember when XRP had its big move with Taurus and like Uphold couldn't hold on to it. There were other exchanges. I think Kraken was another one. They just could not handle the volume of XRP. Well, that's what's happening right now. The suspension has sparked significant reactions among the XRP community, coming at a time when the crypto has been rising dramatically, which means they weren't ready for the movement yet. The suspension has led to various interpretations within the community. Some observers suggest that the high demand by XRP, fueled by a recent price increase, may have temporarily depleted Binance's hot wallet. Totally what happened. That is totally what happened. Because what happened was the demand for XRP and the volume for XRP is over 10x. Volume right now at 21 billion is 15 to 10x higher than normal. XRP usually floats around 1 to 2 billion in volume. So put that into perspective. Exchanges weren't ready to see this. And the way you can tell, think, on the 12th of November, less than a week ago, we were at 60 cent XRP. We basically doubled since then. You think chain exchanges a week ago were thinking, yeah, we need to load up on more XRP. No, they were watching BTC and other alts pump, and then all of a sudden XRP comes out of freaking nowhere, and Binance has to suspend it. Now, people have said, hey, look, swap your XRP for stablecoins. Look, you do what you need to do to navigate these waters. But just keep in mind, liquidity at exchanges is going to be a big deal. It's one thing if price goes to the moon. It's another thing if you could actually do something with it. Now, talking about moon price, look, we did have a little bit of resistance here over the last 24 hours, breaching through that 125, holding on to 120. But we're north of $1.10, which is key. And in fact, as long as we stay above the psychological barrier of $1, we are going to have some good times. Because remember, traditional finance wakes up in less than a day and they're going to start trading the weekend rally, which means stocks like Coinbase, Marathon, Riot, all your BTC miners, all your store of value players, MicroStrategy, they're all going to go up, and we could see even more of an effect on the alt. Now let's do this. Let's zoom into the candlesticks here and see exactly where the resistance is. I'm going to tell you exactly where my targets are right now, what I'm paying attention to. All right, 15-minute candlesticks. Like I said, this is the one that I'm paying the biggest attention to. This happened yesterday. The low on that candlestick was $1.01. So again, support above $1, that's great. Now, the high on that candlestick was 126.98, so 127 was the sell-off point, essentially, okay? XRP could not break that. So you know where I'm setting my alerts. I'm going $1.25 right now so I could catch that action, and my next alert is $1.05, all right? I want to make sure that I catch it with enough time in case we do breach the dollar mark, and I also want to make sure that I'm getting ready for the ramp on up. Now, XRP itself is holding on strong. The volume is good on this move, and the price action is still really good as well. In fact, you could see again, right? Early in the morning, late last night, what did we get? We got more support above that dollar mark. These two candlesticks right here are at $1 and $1.36. So again, support above $1. We seem to be okay with that. In fact, the candlesticks that coincided with that support were pretty juicy. So I feel pretty good right now about a $1 plus XRP. Can we break through this 125? Well, I think we're going to need some more good news coming up this weekend. I think we might be getting it because you're going to be getting more Trump cabinet positions. You're going to get more special position appointments. You're going to start hearing more about what their plans are with BTC. You're going to start seeing more money thaw globally because people that have been stingy, stingy sitting on the sidelines, are now going, yo, the U.S. might be a very favorable place crypto-wise, so we might want to keep putting more money into it. For real, buy the rumor, sell the news might be turning into buy the rumor, buy the news, buy more rumors, buy more news, and sell when you're rich. So this is 2 weekends in a row of really good, juicy news. And think about XRP, ADA, XLM. Think about those three specifically and how far away they've been from all-time highs. Yeah, they were in like the 90-something% mark away from all-time highs. And we were watching BTC, BNB, SWE, and all those players out there touching new all-time highs and really clawing. Then all of a sudden, the delayed move happens with the alt. A lot of US-based juicy news flowing in, and then those alts start taking off. So, of course, Binance wasn't ready for it. They were watching the move with BTC and other players out there going, yo, we should be good to go. XRP, XLM, and the rest aren't doing it. And then, boom, it happens. This is 2 weekends in a row of really juicy action for the entire crypto market. But this last week has been juicy for the ones that we cover on this channel. And I know a bunch of you are happy. But a bunch of you are also thinking, whoa, will this rally continue? And you got to ask yourselves, what's coming up that could keep this rally going? Well, you could get actual regs. You could get actually BTC declared as a strategic reserve for the United States. You could actually have Gensler leaving. You could actually have more regulatory positivity coming in the United States. So these are things that we've just been playing on the rumors. So once they actually happen, there's going to be conservative money on the sideline that goes, yo, now that we got regs, now that Gensler is gone, now that we got a more favorable condition, we want to put our money in because there's different levels of risk out there, right? You and I are a bit more risky, right? We like crypto. We like putting in more than just the tip. There's some people out there that like ETFs, less risky, but still kind of risky tied to crypto. There's going to be some people that get into the indice funds. Yeah, again, less risky, but still related to crypto. Then there's going to be people that down the road finally get in once all that money flows in waves, and it's based on different level of risk and how fiscally conservative those players are. And we saw clear as day that a lot of money on both sides of the aisle was put on hold waiting for clarity in the market. And that's what we're going to get over the next several months. More money thawing, more money flowing, more confidence happening, more juicy Sundays where I get to hang out with you. So happy fucking Sunday. I hope there's a smile on your face. Choo choo bitches. I'm going to run for the first time in 2 weeks.